MarginDriver's Order Analytics page enables users to identify and group orders according to custom criteria they can choose to apply to any and all of the MarginDriver order metrics. As is standard with all MarginDriver reports, users can filter all searches by sales channel and date, and they can add or remove any metrics they wish to include or exclude from a report. And all results can be exported to Microsoft Excel. The Order Analytics page differs from the Order Detail page due to the ability to search, sort, and filter multiple MarginDriver metrics at once. The Order Detail page is the user's definitive chronological historical record of all orders from all sales channels. The Order Analytics page gives the user the power to create their own order profiles according to their business intelligence needs. The order number and order SKU columns offer equals, contains, begins with, and between query options for searching and filtering orders. Use equals if you know the exact order number or SKU number you would like to view. Simply enter it in the box and click Apply Filters. Use contains if you only know a portion of the order or SKU number. Entering 602 and applying filters into the SKU number column gives results that all include SKUs beginning with or including 602. Use begins with if your order numbers or SKU numbers use a naming convention that utilizes prefixes for classification, or if you only know the first couple of characters of your query. Entering 602 and using begins with restricts the results to only SKUs that begin with 602. Use between to search for a range of orders or SKUs. Enter the low number in the from box and the high number in the to box. Apply filters and your results will be restricted to orders that contain SKUs that fall within the range. If you'd like to dispense with the sales channel roll-up and just see the orders, group orders by none. The remaining columns, with the exception of Distribution Center, use only the between query type. All of these columns contain numerical data, so filtering is simply done by entering the low value in the from field and the high value in the to field. Distribution Center has a finite list of possible choices, so it can only be filtered by choosing one of the available distribution centers, also known as suppliers, from the drop-down menu. Here's a useful example of how to use the Order Analytics feature to get meaningful business intelligence. Let's suppose a seller is listing her full inventory on Amazon and offering free shipping on everything in order to win the buy box and entice customers to purchase from her company. She may be able to get away with offering free shipping on low-cost items and still make a decent margin if the items are light. But if the items are heavy and cheap, the cost to ship them might eat up all of the profit and then some. For the sake of this example, let's say she'll need to look at her gross profit on orders where the product revenue is below $15 and the weight is over 12 ounces. But before filtering, first take notice that the gross profit margin on all of these orders is 27.4%. Enter 15 in the to box under product revenue and 12 in the from box under weight. Click Apply Filters and the user will get the results for all orders meeting the custom criteria. You can see here that these orders only have a 3% gross profit margin, suggesting that they clearly need to be addressed. Next, we'll sort our orders by gross profit margin, such that the orders with the lowest gross profit margin are at the top, the largest at the bottom. You can see from the top of our listings that there are a number of SKUs that are problematic and are causing losses on most of the orders in which they appear. This is a good opportunity for the seller to either remove these listings or charge shipping in order to avoid losses.